Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to Update Study Practice channel. Already we are discussing about alphabet series. Today also we are going to see about the same one. 39th sum, and the question is perpendicular. Perpendicular, then perpendicular. Then what comes next? See, perpendicular, perpendicular, pendicular or pendicular. Then what comes next? We have to find the solution. See here, perpendicular. The given first one is perpendicular. The second one is this. What's the difference between the first and the second one? P is not present here. Then other E or P, E, N, D, I, C, U, L, A are present. Then R is also not present here. So P is not present, R is not present in second term. Okay, here P is missing. P missed. Then here R also missed. P and R are missed when compared to the first term. Okay, then compare this to this. Compare the second perpendicular to perpendicular. See here, E is not present here. R is present. P is present. E present. N also present. D, I, C, U, L all are present. But here E is missed. Then A is also missed. Okay, by comparing the adjacent terms we have to find the answer. So here P and R are present, but in next term P and R are absent. Then E and A are absent in third term. Then we have to find the solution. What we have to do? We have to compare the third term. See, I just here writing the third term again. R, P, N, D, I, C, U, L. Okay, so here R should be taken away, and then L should be taken away. If we take this R and L, what will be the answer? PENDICU. Just write the remaining alphabets. This alphabet should be the answer. Pendicu. Answer is pendicu. Can you clear about it? If you have any doubt, please comment me. This question was asked in RBI 2004 exam. Please note down it. There's a easy sum, but the word is lengthiest. Nothing other than the difference here. See, perpendicular. Next term, P first and last terms are taken away, and they written the other letters. Then here these first and last term E and A are taken away, and they written the remaining letters. Just for reference I taken this 3. term and they written here, and we take R and the first and the last term are taken away, and then we write this other alphabets pendi ku. This is the answer. We have to find the solution now. This is the answer for that solution. We can see with one more example. 40th question is attribution. Okay. Tribute. Rebute. Abute. And then we have to find the solution. Note down the question. First attribution, next tributio, rebutio, abute. Note down it. Okay. See here the first term. What we have to do? We have to take an. There is a question. First term. In second term, we have to take the first and the last alphabet. A is taken away and then N is taken away. Missed term. A and N are missed term. Then when compared to this, what we have taken here? See here T is repeated, double. So they just remove this T and T, the same T. So here they remove T and T. Missed. Then here, what compare this and this. Here the O is not taken away because here T and T are same alphabet, so they remove T and T together and they not remove O. See, compared to this, here they taken away R and then here they taken away O or missed. So tell me now, just write down here I B T I. Write down here. What should taken away from here? Here I and I are repeated. So this is the first term we should taken away and the second term we should taken away, and the answer should be B U T. What's that? B U T. Okay. Can you clear about it? This is the answer. Sorry guys, there is a mistake in this. You have to here R and O are missed. We have to take an first two terms, not the repeated terms. We have to take an away the first two terms. I and B should be taken away and the answer should be UTI. Answer should be UTI. See here I am explaining I B U T I. We have to take away the first two terms and the last three terms would be the answer. That means UTI is the answer. Here A and N are taken away from the second term. Then here they taken away first T, double T's, and again they taken away I and O from here. Then again we are taking away I and B. I and B. So the answer must be UTI. This answer. Note of a repeated T they have taken away. Just they have taken away the first two terms, not of repetitive, just they taken away first two terms. Here the last, first and the last term, then here the first and last term, then the first two terms, first and last term, first two term, first and last term, then first two terms. Here they did like this. I am just confused. Sorry for the inconvenience. If you have doubt, please comment me. Here we conclude. To this we are concluding alphabet series. Tomorrow we start with new topic, alphanumeric series. Okay. If you have any doubt, please comment me. Thank you. Happy day. Please subscribe and share my channel.